you. You want to play peekaboo? Hey. Hey, where's Mommy? Peekaboo. Now, where are you going to go? Where are you going to go? Can you clap for me? Can you clap? Yeah. Look at how cute. Let's see. Emma Jane is getting close to 9 months old. And she's sitting. And she's scooching everywhere. And she's squealing really loud. And she's clapping. And saying Baba and Dada. And laughing. And what are you looking at? Oh, she sees her sisters in the backyard. Playing in the snow. It's a snow day.